Why is she crying?
What are you thinking? Look at that fine girl, look at her. Eh? See, this is the opportunity, eh? When the lady is crying, eh? You go, then enter her sweet mouth, then you take her home. Yes, man. See, Oyiko, don't listen to that devil there. By this time, if you know that when a lady is crying, she needs someone's attention and it's of no good. See, don't listen to that white fufu. Listen to me. See, you know, this night now, as it is, you talk to her, you take her home, then you enjoy yourself for this night. Then tomorrow, you can tell her to go anywhere she's going. Meanwhile, I don't know if she has anything to do, but I'm telling you, based on my own experience, I've been advising people since 2000 plenty years ago. I'm still telling you, be going home, leave these things. Eh? What's the problem now? Yeah, go. Okay.
Hello, beautiful lady.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Hello, I'm talking to
I
you.
said, leave me alone! Leave me alone!
You be mumu.
You are crying, that's why I said let me come and just...
Oh my God. I said, leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Sorry,
Please come. Please, I was angry. You know, I talked to you that way. I was angry. I was angry.
Yeah, it's alright now. I understand. It's not normal for anybody to just come out and be crying. Anybody that is crying like this, that person will be angry. And I'm even sorry too to come and meet you. What happened now?
I came from Abuja to see my guy and he left me stranded. He chased me out of his house this morning.
If I should get you correctly, he came all the way from Abuja to see your guy. And he chased you out. See, the thing is, if I'm not a man, I would have said, thunder will fire down your boy. Sorry for saying that. But that's wickedness now. He chased you out and you don't know what you did.
I didn't do anything.
Oh yeah, sorry now. It's okay. It's okay. Oh yeah, it's okay. He left you stranded.
Yes, and I need to go back to Abuja. I need to go back. I've been standing here since morning.
You need to go back to Abuja. You've been standing here since morning.
Yeah.
Standing here does not... Oh, stranded. Oh, you don't have transport.
Yes.
You don't have transport to go back. Don't worry, I'll give you.
You be mumu.
Are you serious?
I'll give you your transport to go back to Abuja.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, no, my name is Oyiko.
Thank you. You go.
But it's already late now. This is past 5.
No, I want to go.
Don't worry, I'll promise you one thing. Let's go and book for you this night at the bus park. Then tomorrow early morning, you'll be the first to even leave Lagos. How is that?
Are you serious?
Yes, you'll spend the night in my house.
Stop
crying now.
I don't know we still have such a nice people like you.
No problem. I'll take care of you very well. Let's go. Stop crying. Stop crying. Are you okay with that? Hey, let's go. I'm ready going now. Let's go. Smile now. It's okay. Fine girl.
Yeah! Yeah!
It's alright. Stop crying. Yeah? Smile, yeah? Can I have your seats? You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is where I'm managing. It's just room and parlor self. Hope you like it. Quick one. I don't cook in my house.
Okay.
I don't cook in my house. What I do is I get food from outside.
Okay.
Then I eat. I have where I'm ordering food. Very delicious and everything is nice.
Okay.
What should I order for you?
Okay. You know, I don't take fried rice at night.
Yeah!
But you can just get me something like jollof rice, big laps of chicken. In case if you didn't say that, man, get me pounded yam with white soup, and they should, you know, mix it up with oha soup to make it to look so nice. You understand? And you can also get me any soft drink, 5 Okay.
Is that all?
Yeah.
So you want to eat all these things you just mentioned for dinner?
Yes, of course.
No problem. You see where I'm going to get food now? They don't have all these things you mentioned, but they have good food
Okay.
that we can just eat for the night. When I go, I'll just get anything they have. You'll be okay with it. Just want you to eat, then you have strength for the night. Anything, you know what I'm saying? To get down for business.
Yeah.
Okay, as long as the room is right there. The other side is the shower. So feel at home, shower, so that we can get to business. Now you're smiling, then you're crying. I said I will take care of you this night.
Yeah.
Ganga in Lagos.
Yeah.
I've come to Lagos.
Okay.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
What is the meaning of that? Why did you off the music now playing?
See, I don't even have what to answer you. But why are you wearing my clothes now?
But you said that I should feel at home.
Does feeling at home warrant you wearing my clothes?
Oh my God. Please. You should go and get food for me, and you're just coming back now.
Easy now. Wait. This is rubber spoon. Let me quickly get iron spoon.
Okay, that's for you. As for me, I'm very, very hungry.
Jesus is Lord! Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
No. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Ganga!
Yes, what is it?
Did you eat the food or you swallowed it?
What is your problem? Are you eating your own or you are not eating?
No.
I asked you to get 5 and life from me, and you are coming and be asking me whether did I swallow the food or not. No! I put it through my anus.
Yeah! Yeah! No.